Okay, let's have a look at articles now. Articles are really funny words, basically because there are two for unknown and one for known. Now, if something is important, you must know it. It doesn't necessarily mean that A and N are unknown things are not important. It merely means that there's more than one. If you want to identify something directly, you can say the man sitting on the stool wearing the black jacket. Okay, so that would be the, not a man, because there's only one man sitting on a stool, as you can see. That would be me, and I'm wearing a black jacket. Or the man sitting on the stool talking, wearing a pair of glasses. Again, here's a weird word, glasses. Sorry for jumping all over the place there. Glasses. Americans call them glasses. In the English, the correct vernacular for glasses is, of course, spectacles. Okay, coming back to A and N and the. A and N are unknown. The words are known, but what follows it is unknown. Not unknown to the speaker, but unknown to the listener. This is the most important key point here. All right? Please understand that unknown does not mean if not known to the speaker. The speaker obviously knows. Why would he be talking about it? Unless, of course, he was asking a question. So, a man sitting on a stool, sitting in the room at number 56 blah blah street in Kuala Lumpur. So that would be our man, that would be me. So the man. If I know who it is, then it's important that I tell you that I know by using the, so that you know that one of us knows. That way you can be assured that the information given to you is an actual fact, a fact. And that's where it comes from. The sun. The sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. Why? Because there's only one east and there's only one west. And is it not true that there's only one sun? Well, that revolves around the earth. Bad, Dr. Richard, that the earth revolves around. Okay, I'm not here to teach you astronomy, yes. And I'm not here to teach you about the sun and the moon and the stars. All right, I'm here to teach you English. So sometimes I slip. I forget that the earth spins around the sun, not the sun spinning around the earth. All right, so there is only one moon for the planet Earth, and there is only one sun for the planet Earth. So therefore, the sun and the moon. Okay? And as we all know, the moon revolves around the planet Earth, whilst the Earth revolves around the sun, as do the 7 other planets. Yes. All right. So be very careful with A and N. A and N are indefinite. They don't know. They're unknown. All right. So a boy, a girl, a car, a table, a pen. May I borrow a pen from you, because I don't know what pens you've got and I don't know what color I need. I just need a pen, any color. All right. Instead of saying, can I borrow the blue pen that you have sitting beside you? May I borrow the blue pen? I can put possessions on this and I can say, can I borrow your blue pen, please? All right, because I know you have a blue pen, so I'm asking you to borrow that one, for me to borrow from you. All right, I need to loan it for a while. Okay, so A and N, indefinite. The is the most definite here. All right. So let me tell you a story. Make it nice and easy. All right. There is a boy sitting on a bench in a park. So now you know that there's a boy sitting on a bench in a park. The boy sitting on the bench in the park, because now I've told you about the boy, I have to use the, all right, is my brother. So my brother is sitting on a bench in the park. You see? So a boy sitting on a bench in a park points out that something is taking place. The boy, because now that I've pointed them out, you know them. You know them and I know them. And because of that, I must now switch from a to the. So the boy sitting on the bench in the park is my brother. Now that you know that our boy sitting on the bench, great big leap here, is my brother, I must now use what is known as a proper noun. Derek is sitting on the bench in the park. Did you see that? So, our boy, our bench, our park, the boy, the bench, the park, to my brother, the bench, the park, to Derek, sorry. Derek's my brother, not John. Derek, the bench, the park. Why is it that Derek changes, but the park and the bench don't? Because bench and park are common. They're common nouns. Whereas the boy, although the word boy is common, it signifies something that is alive and therefore can change. And that's what's happened. It's changed from just any boy to someone that I know personally, i.e. my brother. When something changes personally, it can have what is known as a proper name, proper noun. That's name, noun, name, English, noun, Latin. So that's where they come in together there. Proper remains proper. So proper name, proper noun. Your three articles, three most common ones, a, and the. Easy. Thank you.